It's your boy Will. I'm back in the video, and today Will Folk covers Will. And I don't know what state it is, but I'm gonna figure it out. Let's begin with I don't know how I still. Oh my God. It's not no line. Ain't much to fold, but you know, to get caught to have it. Why not get caught? This one big towel. I said towel. One big coat. My fault. One big coat. Y'all go check out my new videos, bro. My shorts, actually. Go check out my shorts. Ain't always about my videos, bro. Like this video right here. It ain't about this video. It's about my shorts. I upload a good 15 videos this morning. CPI. We ain't taking no trouble, bro. Good morning to you all. Hope you're all today. Getting your morning started. Don't be sleeping. Don't be holding your pillow tight. Like I told you all before, we ain't rich shit. And we don't got no time to be sleeping at all. We don't have no time to be sleeping, man. So get off your, bro, and get your morning started. And follow your plan. Make a plan, follow your plan, and believe it. Four minutes. I'm about to work out after this. I gotta make some other videos. I gotta work out, meditate. Work out, meditate. Write notes, draw. And that's draw, study. That's it. It's a lot of things I'll be doing, but it's worth it. It's worth it, man. It's worth it. Like I got so much paperwork piled up. Y'all look at me crazy. But yeah, this is my morning. And as you can hear, this is my little sister in the back. So see myself shave. You like tank top, man. With the muscle, man.
Wow, where's that water?
One million. But y'all know what's going on, man. More videos on the way. Almost to 100,000 views, man. 100,000 views. 95,000 right now. Get those subscribers up. Get those subscribers up. Get my views up. It's over with, bro. I'm taking over. I'm taking over this stuff. I'm not stopping. Because you know we fighting at all. I promise you I won't.
I'm gonna go with you on it. Please, babe, leave me alone.
40 seconds.
I'm gonna keep on you all day.
Hey, stop it.
Please.
I'm gonna ask you a question. Stop drinking.
Why?
You drink the water? Exactly. That's why you're doing it.
It's not day. Just never leave me alone.
20 seconds.